Guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So the EFF Deputy President Godrich Gadi has responded, to a number of people who were sort of like excited, more of like kind of happy, because Julius Malema, they thought, that Julius Malema was going to spend time in prison, starting in 2026 and going forward. This is because of Julius Malema being recorded on camera firing that firearm. So the people were like, Julius Malema is going to be spending time in prison. So the deputy president, came in, and said, you know what, this matter, it is at the magistrate's court. It's not like it's at the constitutional court or the Supreme Court of Appeal, etc. And whatever decision that is going to be made there at the magistrate's court, take for example, the judge there at the magistrate's court says that Julius Malema, you're going to be spending the next 10 years in prison. So the deputy president is coming in and saying, we are going to appeal that decision at the High Court. So what that means is that by appealing at the High Court, that is more time again that is going to be taken at the High Court, preparing their cases, the arguments being heard back and forth between the state and the defense. So there is not going to be any imprisonment that is going to come out from the decision of the magistrate's court, per Godrich Gadi here. So even if the High Court says, Malema, you're going to prison, Godrich Gadi is going further and saying, you know what, we are going to take that matter to the Supreme Court. We are going to the Constitutional Court. So this is going to take more than 20 years, of a back and forth. In this case, this is not something that is going to be settled in 1 month or anything, and Julius Malema is going to be at prison. So this is Godrich Gadi, silencing all those who thought that Malema was going to prison. And he's making sense, definitely the EFF is going to appeal that decision. The only finality, comes when you finally get, to the Constitutional Court. We saw that, with Nkosana Makate versus Vodacom. When the matter finally got to the Constitutional Court, that's the time that it then got settled. I'll catch you guys on the next one.